Connects an aftermarket stereo to the factory amplified system. Not compatible with non-amplified factory systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory-quality wire and connectors. Standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, works great. Now my Outlander's stereo has sound. Absolutely what was described. Couldn't find this in any store, but good ol' Amazon had it. Product works exactly like it was supposed to, and now my speakers work. Lightning fast shipping.